Now, in this video, we will discuss chapter number 6, classification of plants. This chapter has given on page number 75. Now I am reading your textbook, page number 75. How have living organism been classified? You have already studied the kingdoms Monera, Protista, and fungi of the 5 kingdom classification system proposed by Robert Whittaker in 1959 for the study of living organism. What are the hidden secrets of the kingdom Plantae which impart this green freshness to our surroundings? Just how much diversity in there in this kingdom? Let's see. Classification already you studied. You know about fungi, algae, and green mango plant and other organism. Now question, how can you classify organism into living and non-living things? Things which can move, show response for the stimuli, always try to grow are known as living things. If object is not getting all those characters, so we consider those things as a non-living things. Now organism word we can use only for living thing. In your surroundings you can see so many organism like money plant, dog, human being, mango tree, mosquito, housefly, grasshopper, etc. In all above organism, if I ask the question, all these organisms are same in structure, I know your answer is no. Then, how you can differentiate organism in plants and animal? You will say organism which look green in color are plants and organism which are not in green color are animals. Some green snakes, green grasshopper, they are animals. Then why we are not considered them as a plant although they are in green color? Now we will see the difference between the green grasshopper and green rose plant. Green rose plant is able to make their own food, but grasshopper is not able to make their own food because in roses chlorophyll is present in their leaves, but chlorophyll is absent in grasshopper. Now again I am reading page number, your 75 page number. Can you tell which are the special cell organelles that differentiate plant cells from animal cells? Now you can give the answer chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is present in the plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. What is the cell? Cell means plant's body is made by plant cell and animal body is made by animal cell. So if plant cell is there, so chlorophyll is absent. If animal cell is there, so chlorophyll is absent in the animal cell. So grasshopper is an animal, that is why chlorophyll is absent in his cell, and in rose plant it is a plant, that is why the chlorophyll is present in the plant cell. The group of autotrophic living organism having eukaryotic cells with cell walls is the group of plants. What do you mean by eukaryotic cell? Means well developed cell is known as eukaryotic cell. Rose plant cells, all cells are eukaryotic cell. Human cells, all are eukaryotic cells because they are well developed cells. So another difference between the plant cell and animal cell is that in plant cell wall is made by cellulose, and in animal cell wall is absent. So only plasma membrane is present. But in plant cell, apart from plasma membrane, you will get another layer, that is the cell wall, and which is made by cellulose. Now, two difference you know now. First is chlorophyll is present, and second one is cell wall is present. So because of presence of chlorophyll, all green plants are able to make their own food with the help of sunlight, and these green plants are known as autotrophs. Auto means self and trophs means nourishment. So plants which contain chlorophyll are able to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means formation or making in presence of sunlight, because light, the main source of light in the universe is that sunlight is the source for light. So plants, those are green in color, are the main source of food for all. We are also living organism, but we are animal. Daily we eat wheat, rice, vegetables, fruits. These all things means food we get from plants. So plants are the main source of food in the world because they are able to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. Living organism of kingdom Plantae are the main source of food, and because of this food, heterotrophs means those who are not able to make their own food, they get food from these green plants. Tomorrow we will discuss about the classification of plants. Thank you.